welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the program remove duplicates from sorted list. First, read the question carefully. What they given? Given the head of sorted linked list. Meaning is they given one linked list to you. Sorted means already the elements in the linked list are in sorted order. Okay, what they given head? Head represents the starting node in the linked list. What is your aim? You need to delete all the duplicates. Duplicate in the sense element is repeated more than one, such that each element appears only once. Now see the example 1, 1, 2. So 1 is repeated, remove this one. Suppose 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. Here 1 is repeated, remove. 3 is repeated, remove. Okay, before explaining this one, first you need to understand how a single linked list is represented. Generally, this is a node. Generally, this is termed as node. This node consists of two parts. The first part is called data. Second one is address of next to node. Address of next to node. So, in my example, assume I have an element, 1 is there, 1 is there, 2, 3, 3. So this is the example they given. Internally, by assume this is address 1000. That is in the memory, it is stored at address 1000. This is address 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. This is my assumption only. Okay. Here at position 1, value. Here 1 is the value. Here what is stored? 2000. Now you got the point. This element stores the address of next element. Here 3000, here 4000, here 5000. At last position, the address is null. This is the way to represent a single linked list. Now, move to the question. You need to remove duplicates. And one constraint is there. Already the elements are in sorted order. Means first one and the next one only compared. Suppose 2 is there, 3 is there. After the 2 is not at all available. Why? After 3, 2 is not possible because the elements are in sorted order. Now go to the program. Go to the program. Here, in the question, what they given already? Two terms, VAL and next is given. In our example, VAL in the sense the data. Next in the sense the address of the next field. Now I am writing the logic. And initially you are assuming head is the starting node. Now what is my aim? The first one is compared with the second one. If there is no match, the second one is compared with third one. If there is no match, third one is compared with fourth one. Suppose if there is a match, remove the duplicate. So for traversing purpose, I assume first node is the temporary node. This is the variable for moving purpose. Now, how do I write the logic? Temp is equal to head, the first node. What is your aim? Compare the value in the temp. So if temp dot value. In my example, what is temp dot value? Here I will write down 1 is equal to this one. How do you, this node has a name temp. What is the name of this node? Temp dot next. Simply temp dot next means 2000. It refers 2000 node address. So it is equal to temp dot next. Temp dot next means this node dot value. So 1 is equal to 1. Exactly. Here there is a match. If there is a match, what is your aim? You need to delete this node. If how do we delete this node? If you are deleting this node in the sense single linked list, for the first node to last node, you must should have some connection. So if we are deleting this node means how the connection? Simply this node points to this node. That means here what is the address you need to store? Once you delete this node means at this position, you are storing the address 3000. Yes or no? But where 3000 is available? 3000 is available at this node. What is the name of this node? If this is the temp, previously this is the temp.next. In this next 3000 is available. That is assigned to this one. That is assigned to this one. That means what I am doing, understand? Temp.next means this position. It is equal to what is the temp.next means this one. Dot next means this one. If you are using one dot means one next means next element, second next means next element. Now this one, what is this one? 3000 is assigned to temp dot next. Yes. Suppose here 1 and 1 matched. Simply we are removing this one. Automatically they are removed. Now compare. Now what you are doing? Compare this one again temp with. Here I will write down some loop. 1 with 2. Maybe there is a chance. If 1 is there, again remove this one. Suppose here 2 is there. 1 and 2 both are not equal. If both are not equal means temp is equal to the next iteration. It will becomes the temp. Temp is equal to temp.next to repeatedly check each and every element. Now until end of the loop. So what is the ending condition? Temp is available and for comparing temp.next. That is once temp reaches this position. This is temp.next. We are checking the process. Okay. Now I will execute. Come to here. What is my first step? I assumed the first node as temp node and repeat the loop until temp and temp dot next. So if there is no null, that means before the last element, I am moving before the last element at any point. If temp dot value is equal to temp dot next means next node value. If there is a match, so temp dot next, that is next, it points to next node address. Temp dot next. Yes. What is the meaning? If there is no match, in the sense temp is equal to temp dot next. Simply I am moving. Now return. What you need to return? Head. Already they are given head. Once you return head in the sense, once you return head, it will return the value. It will return the value. Value in the sense, the starting node address. The starting node address accepted. Clear? Now submit. Anyway, accepted and submit successfully. So it beats 100%. So very fine. The program is very clear and perfect. Now clear? This is removing duplicates from the sorted list. Thank you.